might be. It's very unlikely. My wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute cause my time is very pricey. Yeah, but the clip real small, but we making big moves. And we headed to the top so we can get a better view. I'ma catch a tan overseas while I'm out the country. Let me get some Hennessy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. So today's look that I wanted to go for was inspired by ICY GRL by Sweeties. Pretty much just wanted to do whatever I felt like was a icy look. So that's pretty much what I did. Thing blue, everything silver. I just kind of did it. Also, I got this look inspiration from a look that I did on a client that I did for prom. The only thing that I really changed was my lips. She had like a deeper blue lip and I just did what I felt was more suitable for this video. I really like it. I'm really happy with it. It looks exactly how I wanted it to look. It looks exactly how I did when I did it on the client the first time, and I just love it. But yeah, if you want to know how to get this look, just keep watching the video because I don't got nothing else to say to y'all. Bye.
So the first thing I always do is moisturize my face, and then I always start with eyebrows. And these eyebrows literally took me about 15 minutes. And I just put some gel on my eyebrows to make them look a little bit more shiny. So after eyebrows, I put some tape on my face because I knew I would be working with glitter. And then I just primed my lids and set them with powder. So starting with the eyeshadow, I started with a light blue eyeshadow and I put that all over my crease area, just all over my base. So next I started with a deeper blue color and I put it on my outer corner of my eye, and I tried to keep it low inside of my crease and just kept blending it out eventually so that it can rise more into my upper eye towards my brow bone, just so they can show more once I cut the crease. And I kind of worked on this so that it can look good, more of a gradient effect, because there's going to be glitter and shimmer all over it. So now it's time to cut the crease, and I basically started in my inner corner and I went pretty much to the middle or towards the end of my outer crease. So next I just need to set that with a little powder, and then I added a silver shimmer shade on top of everywhere the cut crease is, just before I put the glitter on top of it. So I added a little more blue to the outer corners just to deepen it up, and then I put on some glitter glue on top of the shimmer and started to lay the glitter. And basically I made sure that my glue was laid perfectly so that my glitter wasn't out of bounds and just everywhere, because everywhere that the glue is where the glitter is going to be. So after I cleaned up with my tape, I started to add primer and color correct, and I set my color corrector with some powder and I dusted that all off. So now it's time for foundation, and I applied it with a brush today. I used a brush for my whole face pretty much today opposed to like a sponge. I'm not really sure why, but I think I liked it more. Now I'm adding LA Girl's Warm Honey to all the high places of my face where I usually highlight. I didn't use too much of it, and I did go ahead and blend that out with a brush as well. And I set that with powder too. And I didn't really bake my face, I just kind of set everything and dusted it right off. And I went straight into contouring my cheeks and my nose. And I kind of just warmed up my face the best way I needed to for this look. I wanted it to be a lot more dramatic with everything going on my eyes and lips. So for my highlighter, I kind of wanted it more dramatic as well with this look, but I didn't necessarily want to use a frosty color, just being that I'm so brown and bronze. So I did keep it pretty light so that it can correlate with my eyes still. So for lips, I wanted them to be really dramatic and icy. So I added a blue lipstick first, and I went ahead and used that same glitter that I used on my outer corner on my lips. And eventually I did decide to go ahead and add a little bit of the silver in the middle of my lips as well, just to make it look more frosty. So then I just popped on some lashes. I already had on mascara. I might add another layer, like just to blend them in. But yeah, that was pretty much it. I set my face, and now I'm looking real icy. So off camera, I added some white eyeliner to my eyes and a deeper blue on my bottom lash line. And of course, bottom mascara, because everybody needs bottom mascara. So that's pretty much all that I did for this look, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.